Good morning, everyone. This is my vlog. Like, share, and subscribe.
Ayan, good morning everyone. Back to reality. Maulang umaga dito sa UK. Tapos, ay hindi ko maano tong grabe diba? Ang payong. Time check is 4:13 na. Tapos 7. Today is Monday, 7th of July. And the weather is 16 pero yun nga, raining. So, ako, I'm not prepared. Paglabas ko ng pinto is ganun, malakas ang ulan. Kasi doon sa aking cage ay hindi ko ramdam ang ulan. Tapos, ang jacket ko ay hindi pang tag-ulan. Manipis lang. So, ayan. Mahilo-hilo pa ako dahil nga hindi ako naghanap ako ng uniform ko kagabi. Hindi ko tapos di naman ako agad makatulog dahil nga sa mga pangyayari sa Pilipinas. So, ayun lang. God bless everyone and maayong buntag sa tanan. And even though umuulan is happy days always. Bye! See you when I see you. Time check everyone. It's 9:51. So, ayun. Dito ako na. It's uwian time na. Lakad tayo at hungry bird na ako. Yun everyone. So, finally tapos na rin ang malakas na ulan. At nakauwi na rin ako. So, see you later everyone. Choose one normal way for Monday. Work and at kahit puyat-puyatin sa pag-update ng kaganapan sa Pilipinas, especially sa anak ko. Kaya ayun, naka-red alert ng Grand Valley about the dengue. Isa sa pasyente ang ano ko, kaya ayun, hindi maiwasang hindi mag-alala. At wrap up tayo everyone para makalabas. Medyo malamig ngayon kaya kailangan magmadali sa pag-uwi. And that's it everyone. See you everyone. Thank God, mainit na ulit. Kahit sabihin mong mahangin, malamig. Yun, yung lakas ng ulan na yung kaninang umaga, talagang nagtrabaho ako. Basa ang sapatos. Buti na lang hindi ako nagmedyas everyone. Kasi nga, pag gantong summer, hindi ako nagmemedyas. Mainit sa paa. Yung gano'n, napapawisan. So, ayun lang everyone. Pauwi na. Nearly sa bahay. Nearly. Yan lang everyone. See you later sa update. Kung ano, kakain ako ng maaga. Kasi nagugutom ako. I'm hungry. Dahil hindi ako nag-dinner kagabi. Yung dinner ko doon sa pag-care group. So, which is maunti lang naman. Kaya, yan. Gutom na ulit ako. Okay, see you and I see you everyone. Pagka ikaw ay kumikilos at nagtatrabaho talagang ganun yung gutom mo mabilis. So, kakain ako habang mag-update sa anak ko. Yan lang everyone. Bye at the moment. Rain to update everyone.
Find the gap between the train and the platform.
This is Finchley Road.
For everyone. Here already sa last station. And see you after a couple of walks. Going to outside the train station. Meron dito Car. Oh my gosh. Forcing. Maraming aksidente dito. Malamig ang panahon. Pero sa katulad kong lamigin. Ayan, unti ang tao dito sa park. So, I'm going. It's a green lights. So, I need to go on the other side. Everyone. See you when I see you. Rinig ba yun? Rinig niyo ba yun? Ang kaingayan dito sa Jewelry Street. Yes.
Yeah, usual filming.
Oh, bigas is here. Go again, come again. Hello.
Ta-da!
See you later. Bigas is here. I pass by in another way. Because the lift is not working. Oh my God. That was happened last Friday. So until now, it's not, look, it's broken. It's broken. So that's it, everyone. I'm already in my area. Oh. It seems they use this wrong. So that's it. And I'm gonna open the cupboard. Huh? You're so quick? Huh? Quick to up? Oh my. Yeah, hi everyone, we on time. Since today is Monday, yeah, there's no people in the park, and look, all. So again, there's a lot of tourists here, and I'm with Mr. Aras. Ay, sorry. Ay, yeah, Aras. Yeah. Yan, everyone. Good evening. I'm gonna wait for 4 minutes to rain. Going here at yeah. Not that one. That is the street line. We're gonna pass East Algate East. So yeah. So I'm gonna wait in 3 minutes the Oaks Bridge. Here is my train. First train, everyone. So this is it. Dito pala ako. Update 8:49. Ay no, 7:49 lang pala. 7:49. 30 pa pa ba?